Good afternoon, students. This is Johnny Basha, social teacher. Last class, I started 10th class social first lesson India relief features. In that, I completed introduction part of India relief features. In that introduction, I explain some differences, means, GMT, IST differences, latitude, longitude differences, islands, peninsula differences, not only differences, some points also. Indira Point, Himalaya mountains were formed. Those things I explained, some textbook information I gave you. So, in this today topic is second topic, geological background, means geography. Those things I am going to explain to you. Geological background information already you learnt in the ninth class social lesson number 1, our earth formation details. First layers, inside of earth layers, crust, mantle, core, inner core, outer core. Those details already you learnt in the ninth class first chapter, our earth. Here some more information added. Here some more information textbook, 10th class textbook has given to us. First, after formation of all layers, the surface of the earth, the lakhs of millions of years ago, only one land is there. This land, due to effect of weathering, erosion, deposition, this only one land divided two parts. One part the north side, another part south side. Plate, north side one plate, south side one plate. The north side land we call Angara land. This south side land we call the Gondwana land. Okay, north side Angara land, another name also there, Laurasia land. So, India is the part of Gondwana land, not the Angara land. India is located here. This part means in the Gondwana land. The latter, slowly, due to weathering deposition, the India also moved and pushing collision with the Angara land, mean the pushing here. Yes, our land moving from Gondwana land to the north side. So by pushing with the Angara land, here Himalaya mountains were formed. Externally, the inside of the India also, here inside of the India peninsula plateau, here the plateau margins, the corners, valleys were formed due to moving of India plate and the pushing to the Angara land. The inside also some changes were occurred. The plateaus, the margins, some valleys were formed. Later, all these valleys were filled with the water, sand, mud, soil land, fertile land, all these things. All these lands were brought by, lands means soil land, fertile land, stones, all these were brought by the rivers, Himalayas, perennial rivers. Next, Himalayas perennial rivers means the Ganga, Ganga, Sindhu, Brahmaputra, perennial rivers. Next, Western Ghats rivers, Krishna, Godavari, and the middle rivers, Narmada, Tapadi. Those rivers brought sand, silt, mud, stones, the soil, land, fertile land, everything brought and fill the plateaus, valleys. So now these valleys, this useful for agriculture purpose also. Now the farmers also using for agriculture purpose. These are the geological background information. 10th class second topic. Here the given the information, and their next coming classes I will explain more information about this chapter. Okay friends, thank you.